Welcome everybody on this beautiful day. I'm going to show you guys here our first job we got going on today. I'm going to bring you guys along with us today. You guys come along and see what we do in a day. I'll show you a couple of our jobs. Bring you guys along. We're just finishing up this big one here. It's a big one. We have no boom van. We can't get in with any boom van here. I've been done 3-4 years. Beautiful place here. Today we're going to be working in the north part of town. They call the north part. New people just bought this place. People had it before, had it for probably 6-7 years. Didn't take really good care of it. When you have a lot of stuff like here, you really have to have somebody doing the upkeep. A lot of stuff, a lot of flowers, a lot of shrubs, stuff to take care of. You have to have a lot of time to take care of that. If not, you hire somebody, and usually not everyone has time to spend doing stuff like this. Or if you look, all these shrubs need to be trimmed up. Look at all this stuff here. All right, let's go see what we got going on here. The boys are doing the long trimmers. See how you can see through the hedge here. Obviously there's something that got in here. Water, some kind of water, pool water or what. If you get down here, everything is nice. Doing this big one here, I think it may have been 2 or 3 years. We haven't done it. The owner of the house on the other side. A lot of big ugly hedges here. Alright, we'll get this one all done up. It's both sides all the way around. I'll show you guys as we go along here what I can show you guys. I'm going to get to work too. Start cutting. Enough chit chat. Let's get cutting. Coming along. Show you guys here down in the back here. All done here. It looks good. As good as it's gonna get after 2-3 years. I think it was 21 or 22 we did that one. Not quite sure. I'm sure it'll be a big pile of hedge here. we just got the next one. We're fixing this one all up here, making it look good. Both sides of this one. Busted doing the neighbors. This place here to getting some work done. I'll go show you guys out front what we're doing. That one over there. Haven't done this one in 2-3 years, a rough shape. We're gonna bring it back. You're gonna see it's gonna look really good. Alright, we're just finishing this one up. I'll go show you guys on the other side. I showed you guys a little while ago. Show you over here where we, as I was saying, where I showed you before. I think it's been 3 years. Been crazy. I imagine there's going to be a huge piece, bunch of cedar here. I'll go show you guys the pool out back, how it came out. Oh my. I have leave some guys here to help clean. Try it. See that bump right there? See the bump right there? We got some cleaning to do here. We came in from the neighbors to do the hedge here out back. Last time we did it 2 years ago, there was no houses out back here behind the hedge. So she called this year, she goes, "Can you do my hedge this year?" I said, "I'll go take a look." I go, "I think they made a new street behind your house." She goes, "Yeah." So we took a look. Neighbor had some kind of stuff growing in over there. He took it all out. So we brought the boom vans right in, the bucket trucks. I'll just drive this ahead. Show you guys out back here the houses. All these houses here are all new. All this is all new here within the last 2 years. That's how you do it. If we couldn't go down here with the vans, we wouldn't have taken the job. If we can't do it, we don't take it because it's just gonna be a problem. All right, off to the next one. Hope you guys enjoyed these videos. All right, we're doing this big apartment complex here. I think it's 100, 110 apartments. They got a little bit of cedar hedge all around the whole place. Just cleaning it up. We're gonna be finishing up our day probably here today. It's a big place. All right, we're just getting back to the shop. We're just getting everything ready, get the trucks back in. It didn't rain today, so nothing got dirty. Don't forget, you guys, give us a thumbs up. You guys enjoy it, and we'll see you guys next one. Thanks for watching. Adios, amigos.